So, hello everyone. Today I'll teach you the installation of Windows 98 SE ISO to the Oracle VirtualBox. First, we need to click New. Then, we will choose a file name, Windows 98. Then, then Finish. Then, Settings. In the storage, in the empty disk, we will put the Windows 98 ISO files, the disk image files. Click OK. Then after that, we will click the start. Then boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup. Then wait a few seconds. Click enter. Configure. No. Enter. Then boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup. Then after that, the drive C will start the formatting for the drive formatted. Click enter. Then as you can see here, the Windows 98 setup is already done, but we have some configuration things to do. Let's continue. Then click next. We will choose the custom. Next. Uh, in these components, we will check all the boxes. Then after that, next. In this computer name, we will just leave it like that. Next. Next. We will find Philippines, our country. Next. And we'll wait a few minutes. So after the copying progress, the VirtualBox will restart itself. Then we will store the user information. And the user information is end user. And also the company is end user. Next. I accept the agreement. Here we will input the Windows product key. Then after you input the product key, we will press next. Then as you can see, it's finished. Then we will set up the hardware. We will just wait the Windows. After the installation and after the hardware detection is 53% complete, we will restart the PC. May video. Hmm. Hmm. So we will align the time zone 30 Hong Kong, then apply, then okay, then wait for the setup. Then we will wait for the Windows 98 to set up complete. Then we will click OK since we don't set a password for this computer. Our new PC, Windows 98 is already done. It's finishing the installation. You can see your computer, data disk C, and program files there. And after that, it's already done and you can shut it down. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for today.